This video is brought to you by Australian Transport News, Owner Driver, Deals on Wheels and NewTruckSearch.com.au.
This is the all-new, impressive and environmentally friendlier Western Star Constellation 4964 FXC. The Constellation series are industry leaders with their strong build, their super spacious cabins and their engine performance. With a flurry of exciting features, this truck is sure to impress. This cab is a galvanised, double-sided, welded steel safety capsule. It's strong and it's sturdy and it's on a unibody design. It gives you maximum strength, maximum safety, maximum room with minimal weight. And the side shields and roof fairings give this truck better wind resistance as well as a really sleek look. The spring assisted bonnet opens a full 90 degrees, allowing easier and safer access to the engine, wheels and suspension. Up front you're running one of Detroit Diesel's finest all new engines, the DD15. She's got 14.8 litres displacement and a big 560 horsepower. Not only that, but this is the cleanest and greenest Western Star ever made, meeting the tough new ADR 8003 emission regulations. It's complemented by a premium Eaton Fuller transmission, while the entire driveline is fitted with premium ancillaries to ensure maximum performance and reliability. The 4900 series has been redesigned to take an 1870 square inch radiator that can operate in temperatures as low as -60 and as high as 53 degrees Celsius. This Star will take you anywhere, anytime, during any season. With a stand-up and walk-through design, the 54-inch Stratosphere sleeper allows for easy access while not skimping on comfort. Uniquely engineered to minimise weight and noise whilst enhancing insulation, you're guaranteed a comfortable rest, be it for a few hours or for an entire night. And for a big guy like myself, I have to say, it's a pretty good setup. Ergonomics are arguably the most important aspect of a truck, and Western Star hasn't failed in this department either. With an adjustable wheel position, effortless access to brakes, gears and radio, you're bound to have not only an economical and comfortable trip, but a safe one at that. Driving in the 4964 FXC, you just can't help but feel at ease. The chrome manganese leaf suspension, heavy duty shock absorbers all make for a very comfortable ride. The windscreen offers great visibility. All instruments are within easy reach, and now, with electronically controlled engine, there's greater fuel economy, higher power to weight ratios, and you can almost have instantaneous and accurate updates on engine data and performance. Western Star has reached for the stars with the new Constellation 4964 FXC, and boy, they've delivered. Comfortable, safe, economic, reliable, efficient, we could go on for ages. But to put it simply, this truck ticks all the boxes. I'm John Willis, and I'll see you on the road.
This video is brought to you by Australian Transport News, Owner Driver, Deals on Wheels and NewTruckSearch.com.au.